5 reasons to choose a career in surgical technology. Are you ready for a career that's hands-on, fast-paced, and life-changing? At Reynolds Community College, our surgical technology program can put you on the path to a rewarding future in healthcare. Here are 5 reasons to choose a career as a surgical technologist. First, the demand is strong and growing. With an aging population and new surgical procedures, surgical technologists are needed now more than ever. Second, the pay is competitive. Certified technologists earn solid wages, starting around $62,000 a year, depending on experience and location. Third, variety. Surgical technologists work in hospitals, outpatient surgery centers, labor and delivery, even transplant teams. And with experience, you can advance into roles like assistant, educator, or healthcare manager. Fourth, the work is meaningful. As a surgical technologist, you play a direct role in saving lives and improving patient outcomes every single day. And fifth, you have room to grow. Specialize in neurosurgery, orthopedics, or cardiovascular surgery, building skills and advancing your career. A career in surgical technology means stepping into the operating room as a vital member of the healthcare team, working alongside surgeons, nurses, and other professionals to make a real difference. Start your journey today at Reynolds Community College. Apply now.